How to use and rotate ruler in OneNote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can rotate or use ruler in OneNote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your OneNote, and this is the interface you'll be on. After you're here, what you can then do is you can head over to this bar right here and head over to draw section. Tap on draw, and after you tap on draw, you'll find the ruler option right here. So tap on ruler and it will give you the ruler right here. So now you can simply drag the ruler from your cursor and put it right here. After doing that, what you can do is you can simply choose where you want to place this ruler. So if you have your two fingers, just use your two fingers, and if you rotate it, you can place it, you can change it like this. You can use your two fingers to just rotate your ruler. If you have a touch screen, you can use your two fingers to rotate the ruler as well. So it's completely up to your device. You can use your cursor pad or you can use your two fingers. So after you have your ruler, you can place it wherever you want. You can even see how much degree you want to change it. So let's say I want a 45-degree angle. I can change it to the 45-degree angle right here. So it's the same. You can change it to 90 degree as well. And that is basically how you use and rotate ruler in OneNote app. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.